Welcome back to MF Corner on CNBC TV18. Today we have Harsha Upadhyaya of Kotak KMC here to talk to us about their investment strategies. How do they steer through risk? How do they manage the volatile times? And that's what I want to come to, Harsha. Given that, the current scenario, maybe since Jan, we have seen that volatility continue. People always spoke about, should I shut my SIP? Should I close it down right now? Maybe start it at a later time. But you, when you're managing a fund, how do you keep calm? How do you steer through all of this in terms of volatility? What do you manage? How do you manage?
Vinny, volatility is inherent to equity markets. Anybody who's investing in equity markets should be ready to withstand this volatility for long-term gains. Just like each business faces headwinds and ups and downs, the equity investing also goes through those cycles. And it's not just one business, there are multiple businesses that are there in the portfolio. So to that extent, there will always be volatility that you see, but you need to manage that. In fact, as a long-term investor, you should be looking for volatility in the market, because that's when irrational decisions are being taken by a lot of market participants. And if you take rational and good decisions at that point of time, that works for you in the long term. So I don't think one should be really worried about volatility. But you should be able to wade through that volatility and use those irrational periods of volatility to actually build portfolio from a long-term perspective. Is what I think.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.